Welcome to Lisheng. This is our office area. Everywhere is full of energy and creativity. This is our meeting room, an ideal space for you to relax and communicate. This wall of honor not only shows the brilliant achievements of our company, but also the testimony of our unremitting efforts and continuous progress. These finished products are the crystallization of our technical mastery and innovative spirits, and each product is our commitment and pursuit of our excellence. What you see here is the map wall that we are so proud of. It's a record of our global presence and a symbol of our strong commitment and influence in the international marketplace. Here is our sample display area, where we have gathered our carefully crafted packaging and printing masterpieces. Each product is a profound interpretation of superior quality and technological innovation, demonstrating our relentless pursuit of perfect craftsmanship. Then please follow us to our workshop to feel the roll of the machines and the speed of the production line. Our mosaic machining centers bring together advanced technology, and each part is created with the ultimate pursuit of craftsmanship. This is the core area for the production and assembly of our CM machines, where precision craftsmanship and efficient processes are perfectly combined. On this floor, we have our high-speed machine workshop, dedicated to the production and assembly of high-speed machinery, constantly improving production efficiency. If you have any questions or ideas, please feel free to ask at any time. We will look forward to joining hands with you to create brilliance together.